Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ruchi's Teaching. This is Ruchi here. My last video, in my last video I have explained about this one, references. In references I have explained about citation, insert citation. Now in this video I would like to explain on mark entry. Explanation on mark entry. So now I have opened my MS Word and now I am in references tab. So I would like to complete this mark entry. This is very small video, so I will complete it very fast. And before I would start my video, I would say that please, if you have not still subscribed my channel, please try to subscribe my channel, and please try to share these videos to how many friends you have, like many people, so that this knowledge may reach them. If they are in use of it, if they are in need of it, it will be helpful for them. Okay, please try to support my channel so that I'll be motivated with your comments or whatever it is, with your views, so that I can do much more videos. Okay, now let's enter into the video. Now in this video I would like to explain mark entry. See, can you see here, I kept my mouse pointer on mark entry. Now this mark entry is include the selected text in the index of the document. Actually this is preparing an index of some hard words. It in your textbooks, if you have observed, when you open the first textbook, first page will be contents and sometimes it will be written as index. But this is not that index. You just open the textbook and come to the end page of the textbook, you will find some different hard words. I will say it as some hard words or new words, and after that each word they will give the page number of that word. That means that so and so word is displayed or kept in that particular page. By seeing that page number, you can open that page and you can see the word, how it has been displayed there, and you can see the meaning or whatever it is. So for that purpose this mark entry is used. Now without wasting my time and your time, I would like to enter into the video. Now what I am going to do is, already I have created some pages here. So can you see here, some pages, some paragraphs I have written. I have written only 2 to 3 sentences, but you can go for a big paragraph. When it is a big paragraph, it will be useful for you, like creating a book like thing, or creating a project or a report or some documentation. For that purpose this is used. Now see, first page always I will leave blank. If anything is needed for it, I will be using it. Now this say in second page I have written definition of the computer, and third page in third page this has come into second page only. So what I will do is, I will just make it enter into the third page. Okay, see, it has been entered into the third page. So this is third page, and see, this is fourth page. Actually this should come into the fourth page. Okay, so in fourth page you have monitor, and fifth page CPU, and sixth page you have mouse, seventh page keyboard. Like this I have done some paragraphs. And now what I am going to do is, now I will show you how to create mark entry or insert index. I will show you now. Now first you have to select some words. Now what I will do is, now I am in 7th page, right? Now what I will do is, first I will go to the some one word of that particular page paragraph. Now what I will do is, I will select that word. How? By keeping my mouse pointer, I will select the that word. Now I have selected. Now what I will do is all this will come under in the last page, right? Now come to the mark entry and automatically it is showing that particular word which I have selected in that, right? That word automatically it is taking in my main entry. Now I will say just mark. Okay, see when I said mark, automatically, see, can you see here X, E alphabets in it has come in somewhat different, what to say, this flower brackets have come, three different things have come there, and this is called as that mark of that particular index. So automatically it takes it. Next, I'll go to the next page, right? Now for one alphabet I have taken in, which is in 7th page. I will go to 6th page now, right? Now I am in 6th page. Now here what I will do is I will select already before this starting of this video I have done some for examples I did that. So automatically it is showing when I am asking mark entry, it is showing the different mark entries. Now I am selecting for explanation purpose I am selecting here computer. Can you see here? Now again I will go to the mark entry. Here I will click there, so automatically it is taking that computer, right? Now again come to the mark, that means to that mark computer also it is taking that mark entry, right? Now again I will go to 5th page. In 5th page already some brain or processing already I did before only, so I will take one more word and I will show you how to put the index, this one. Insert index I will show you all together. Now I will take one more word here. Here I will take input and I will select that word, right? Now go to the main entry here, give a click over there, automatically that input word it is taking. Now say mark again. Now what I am going to do is close this. Now come to the last page. If you come to the last page or if you don't go to the last page also, automatically it will take. Now go to insert index, right? Here index already it is selected, it is showing some different contents, so your words will be displayed like this. It is asking us to select which type of index you want. Preview it is showing in which format you want. See here I will click here in formats place, and here's already from template means the thing here which is displayed in that format you will be getting all the words. Suppose if I take classic will be like this. Can you see here A according to the alphabetical order, B like that it will show. Now if you go for fancy it will be somewhat different style, and if you go for modern different style, right, like this. See if you go for bulleted, all bulleting things will come. Okay, now what I am going to select is from template, that is by default it is taken. So I will take that only and I will say okay. Now see what happens. Now why it has been displayed here is I didn't take the fresh page. Actually it will come automatically, it will take in fresh page, but this time I don't know why it has selected that. I think there was a see. Actually here I have done page break. So what it has done thinking is it is in different page. That's why it has selected that. Now can you see alphabets 7. That means 7 is the page number. Black 4. Black word is in 4th page. Brain word is in 5th page. Computer already first one I did and second one I have shown you. One is in 5th page and one is in 6th page, right? Electronic 2nd page. So by these things, by seeing these page numbers, you can enter into that particular page. See input is here 4th page. Now go to the 4th page. You can see input there. This is 4th page. Can you see here input? See. Just now I have selected that one, it is showing like this. Now if you don't want to see all these things, these marks, all these things, you can just go to the insert option, right? There you can home option. Here this mark is there, you can just remove it. If you just click on it, everything will go off. Now directly go to the last page. You can see the words. See, can you see here? 7 alphabet word is in 7th page. black is in 4th page, brain is in 5th page. So in this way you can create the mark entry, right? Now with this I have completed mark entry and only mark citation is left over. I'll complete it and then I will end. That will also become a small video and I'll complete it, and next we'll go to the mailings. Okay, so with this I have completed this video. If you have liked this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And still, if you have, again I'm saying that if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe my channel, please support my channel, please. Okay, okay then, thank you, bye.